Welcome to this tutorial. We are going to be talking about how to label certain emails for your logs. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to have to get on a laptop or a desktop to do this. You can't do it in the Gmail app on your phone, so you'll have to get on the laptop. First thing you're going to do when you open your Gmail is you're going to click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you click that, you're going to click on the settings tab. So once you click on the settings tab, you'll see another list of options. You have general, labels, inbox, accounts, and so on. You're going to click on labels. You're going to go all the way down to the tab option, create new label. And you can call this label whatever you'd like, easy spray log, chemical logs, whatever you'd like. Create that label, and then you will see the label on the left hand side menu. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Easy Spray Log app and create a test log. So fill out a log, submit it, and once you have that notification in your email, you're going to check mark it. Once you have it check marked, a list of options will show up on the top, and you're going to hit the hamburger menu or the drop down menu. Click it and you will see filter messages like these. So you're going to click on that, and you have a little form that you need to fill out. The from is already in there. That's the no reply at formstack.com. That is the emails that get sent to your inbox from the log. Once you've filled that out, you're going to create that filter. After you create the filter, you'll have a list of options of how you want it filtered. You're going to go all the way down to where it says apply the label, check mark it. Once you've check marked apply the label, you're going to choose which label. Mine is Easy Spray Log, and create the filter. And once that filter has been created, every log that you submit will automatically go into that menu on your left under whatever you called it. I called mine Easy Spray Log, and you can see that they are in there. That's how you do it. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at info@easyspraylog.com. Thank you.